What's happening, guys? So I ordered a pedal commander for my wife's Alfa, and we're going to install it today. Just came this morning. We'll throw it in. Okay, so let's see what we got. Pretty cool box. This is the PC07, I believe. Yeah, PC07. So let's go install it. One end's the gas pedal, the other end's the harness going to the gas pedal. Very easy. So before you get started touching any wires or harnesses, you want to open your driver door and leave it open for about 15 minutes. Let the ECU all shut down and then start the installation. Okay, now we just got to route the wire and mount the actual pedal commander. Okay, so I just put a zip tie here to hold the wire up. I tuck the wires into this little opening on the right. Got lucky with that, with the Alfa. Okay. And that's it. You still have access to the actual unit, even though it's Bluetooth. Alright, just going to start it up, make sure there's no engine lights, and then download the app. So far, so good. Okay, now let's try with the pedal commander on. And go to turn it on. I'm going to go to sport. I'm going to go all the way to number 4, +4 on Sport Plus. Now let's try this again. Wow, that's a big difference.
$30, $60, $30, $60, $30, $60.
So the best time I was able to get to 60 stock was about 5.4-ish. And then with the pedal commander on Sport Plus, on number 4 Sport Plus, I got 5.2 pretty easily. So picked up about 0.2 of a second to 60. To me, that's not even the main thing about the pedal commander, the 0 to 60 time. I just wanted to see if it made a difference. To me, it's the drivability and the drive difference. There's no more of that dead spot. I don't know what the hell that was with the Alfa, but the pedal commander definitely fixed that. And it feels much better. Just that dead spot's gone. I hated that feeling.